Good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. Thank you for your time watching my video. I am Helen Hirayo, 33 years old, single. I have 2 kids, 11 years old and 12 years old. I am a Roman Catholic in religion. I am the eldest of the family. I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters. I am a high school graduate. I do have a work experience here in Lawag City, Philippines for 2.5 years. I serve 5 members of the family. It consists of 1 couple, 1 kid, and 2 elders. I am only the only helper in the house. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of the kid.
Okay, so that 6 years old, is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl, Mom.
Girl,
Yes,
okay.
Mom.
You have your own room here?
Yes, Mom.
And do you have any day off before?
Yes, Mom.
What day?
Once a month only, Mom.
Once a month,
Yes.
okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want a bigger salary, Mom, for my family's future.
And who will look for your 2 children if you're going to Hong Kong?
My husband and my mother-in-law, Mom.
Your family allows you to go abroad.
Yes, Mom.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, Mom.
Okay. Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, Mom.
You love kids.
Yes, Mom. I love kids.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, Mom.
Are you willing to take care of a newly born baby?
Yes, Mom.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, Mom.
And there's a grandparent who's staying in the house. Is that okay for you?
It's okay, Mom.
Your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off, and sometimes employers offer only twice a month off, and the 2 off will pay you. Is that okay for you?
Yes, Mom. It's okay, Mom.
Okay. And how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me and as long as I am healthy and
Okay. If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will keep myself busy, Mom. I will just play music and pray, Mom.
Will you promise not to go home in case of emergency?
I promise, Mom.
Will you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, Mom. I
Your
promise.
future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Good day, Mom, sir. Please hire me as your employee. I promise to you that I will do my best and responsibilities. I will finish my contract. See you soon. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 2360.